This is Anjali Urk22Cs1049. In this video, I am explaining my project AI powered blog content generator built using Radio and Olama. Here, the first step is like installing Python dependencies, Gradio and request. Gradio is used to build the web UI and request sends the HTTP request to our local Olama server. Then the second step is to pull the model to our mission Olama pull Queen 0.5b. This downloads the Queen 0.5b model so it can run locally. And the third step is like the blog generation function. Here we created a blog generation function generate blog. This function takes all the UI inputs and turn them into single textual prompt. So the UI inputs are topic, tone, length, outline text, audience, keyword, language, style, creativity, preferences, tips. All these inputs are taken into a single textual prompt that instructs the model exactly what to produce. The outline converts the text block into a list of non-empty lines. This keeps structure clear. Now we have a prompt and we post to the Olama endpoint here, request.post endpoint with the model name and the prompt. The timeout prevents the request from hanging if something goes wrong. Here timeout is equals 20, avoiding hanging forever. So it adjusts if something goes wrong. And here basic error handling was being done. So we handle non 200 HTTP response and returns either the model response field, either will get the status code with the text or otherwise payload as fallback. If you get an error, the return text will show the HTTP status and server response if some errors goes mistake. And the step 4, building the Gradio UI. This is the main step. This block creates a friendly web UI using Gradio. We arrange inputs in rows for reliability. Topic, tone, length, all these are the inputs. So here, similarly, the GR block uses markdown, text box, checkbox, slider, all these components, UI components. So this block creates friendly web UI. The generate button click wires the button to our generate blog function which was created previously and puts the model's response into the output text box. These are the input fields and here whatever the generate functions it keeps into the output text box which we have created here, outline text box. Finally, the demo launch starts a local web server and opens the UI in your browser. So this is the main script entry point. This standard Python entry point runs the main function when you execute the script directly which starts the Gradio UI. So we can go through this by the local URL. So we'll try to get your blog. This is the heading of our blog. Generate AI powered blog posts locally using Queen, Mistral and Gma. So here role in role of AI in education. Informative and 300 words. Let's give like conclusion, college students, education, English, story based, creativity level, include references and generate a blog. Hence here it generates a blog. Thank you.